All right, I've just unboxed everything. Everything feels and looks like amazing quality. I am so excited to put this together. Looks like it comes with really easy instructions. Everything is labeled well and very organized. I love the packaging. Let's go. Hey, what's up? My name is Brooke. Today I want to give you guys a review on this adorable outdoor wicker recliner chair, okay? Everyone needs a good recliner chair in their backyard. This is what it looks like. I put it together myself, super easy, had all of the pieces. I understood the instructions. I have no complaints about the assembly of it. Everything was packaged well, okay? Everything was okay. What I like about this is that it's a really modern looking recliner chair. It's wicker and it's that light gray color. So it's really going with the style of my backyard. It is super comfortable. The quality of this is great. It is going to last all through all of your weather that you have. So if you're in the market for something like this, if you need a modern style wicker outdoor recliner chair, this is where it's at. I promise you, you will love it just like me. I absolutely have to give you guys a close-up look. So this is kind of like a little secret table right there that you can open and close if you want to put a drink there, your book, your phone, whatever might have you. The quality of the fabric is very nice and durable. It's like a nice soft canvas. It is absolutely gorgeous. Here, I'll show you the other side as well. Oh my gosh. See, this wicker is so durable and thick. It's going to last you forever. And this is what the back looks like. This is what it looks like underneath as well. You guys, this quality is amazing. This will look perfect in any backyard.